incontrovertibly, it's good to have you over here today. I will be talking about the jollof at the end of the reception. Before I proceed, I usually introduce myself by saying I'm the guy who remains satisfied with the dissatisfaction that is never satisfied until dissatisfied and satisfied. My name is Suraj Akande. Okay. My topic is not about a delicacy recipe, not about a meal I enjoyed. It's just a Nigerian equivalent of the expression, there will be light at the end of the tunnel. Because in this part of the world, we do have stable power supply yet, and tunnels are not a commonplace. So it's going to be in place for me to use something that we can all relate with. Most of us sitting in this room right now are probably in our third decade. We are spending our third decade as Nigerians. And at several instances in our lives, we have been inundated with the fact that Nigeria is comatose, or this country is just a contraption, a rudderless ship floating in the middle of nowhere, and there is no progression. Sometimes we even imagine that, does it even worth it calling Nigeria a developing nation? Why don't we even let's call it underdeveloping nation? It appears sometimes like counting our blessings looks like trying to count black ants on a rock in a dark moonless night. I know it's getting confusing already, but do not forget, I'm here to talk about the jollof. We'll be cooking and when will it be served? I don't know myself, but I'm so optimistic. And why am I optimistic about this country? Is that I see a lot of foreigners coming into this country and they talk about the great opportunities you have in Nigeria, abundant opportunities, potential you see in the youth. But when you talk to Nigerians themselves, they only see the problems. They do not see the opportunities. They do not see the solutions. But I tried so much not to be carried away by the socio-political problems. I see the light, and I'm not confused about it. Follow me as I talk about some illustrious sons and daughters of Nigeria. Who knows? You will also be one of them. The first person I'll be talking about is Ralph Tamuno, the CEO of Wakana.com. Ralph Tamuno is the creator of the first Nigerian internet business. That was in 2008, even before Junior Konga and the likes. And he's one of the most successful Pan-African business today. Wakana, you can use Wakana platform in the US, in Dubai, all over Africa. Ralph Tamuno is redefining what tourism is about Africa. And one wonderful thing about Ralph Tamuno is that he's not part of those who believe that Nigerian youths are unemployable. He has over 700 Nigerian youths on his payroll. And he says that the most inspiring thing about them is their core. He's not concerned about their degree, but what are the things that drive them, the things that drive them? What are the things that motivate them? That's the kind of person Ralph Tamuno is. He's one of the illustrious sons of Nigeria that I am so proud of. Last year, precisely August, I was in a room with some young men discussing what to do with their talent. And one of them said, I think I need to start blogging. I need to start blogging my learnings every day. But others told me that that's going to take a while for you to be successful with it. And he said, well, I'm going to be consistent, and maybe in 5 years, I might be successful. 12 months later, he became one of the most sought after Nigerians, competing with Google and Facebook on GitHub's trending developers and repositories page. I know you guessed right. It's Prosper telling you what. Have you seen the kids on the Kids program of Etisalat? Do you see the awesomeness in those kids? It is not for fun. Those are the things that give me hope. Do you know about Innocent Amadi? An awesome programmer there. Do you know about Chibuzo Obiora, a poet and an awesome orator? Do you know about Heaven? Do you know about Sulia? Do you know about Sunday Guru, the prolific programmer behind the social media app? Do you know about the wonderful people I've met? These are the people that I believe are going to change the face of Africa. People like them and others that I might not be able to mention because of the time allotted to me are incontrovertibly the path to the light at the end of the tunnel, the summation of the beacon of hope, and the jollof at the end of the reception. Mr. Toastmaster.